Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my crazy dogs. Welcome back. Today we're going to be opening our Yes Oh Yes bag for January 2019. First, let me tell you a little bit about this bag. It is $14.99 a month with $3.99 shipping, so it ends up being just about $19. I do have a code. You can save 10% off your first bag down below if you are interested in that. And in here we should get 3 to 7 full-sized beauty products. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So this month's theme is 2019. It's all about you. And then on the back, we have everything that we're getting in here as well as the values. So I will reference this. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I will put it down below if you care and all that good stuff. Okay, so the first thing I have is I don't know what this is. This is from #INM, the Universe's Star Highlighter. So it's INM Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if they're cruelty free. Oh, Inmo. 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 The heart is an O. Okay, so let me show you what I was looking at. It's really light. I might not pick up on camera. So a little heart on the end there is an O. It's so light. My light is so bright. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, I don't see how this is a highlighter. This is like an orange eyeshadow. It looks much more muted on camera than it is in real life, but it is freaking orange. I'm not going to swatch that. I don't see me ever using this for an eyeshadow or a highlighter, so this will probably just go into a giveaway or to a friend. Let's go ahead and... The value on this is $10, so fair price, I'd say, for whatever the heck that is. I don't see how that's a highlighter, though. That is in the shade Twilight, so... Okay, let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing I have is from Appeal Pigment. Never heard of this brand either. I don't know if they're cruelty-free. So it's just a jar of it looks like sparkly black pigment. This is valued at $21, which seems a bit much for one thing. And it is a loose pigment, so pigments can stain your eye more than eyeshadow, and they're not technically like FDA approved for the eyes, something like that. I'm not going to swatch this. I don't know anything about this brand, so I definitely want to research it first. So there's that. Okay, so the next thing I have is from NCLA, which is cruelty-free. So this is a like really fun sparkly nail polish. Let me show you the back. So it's like glittery and gold and like, dare I say hollow. I don't want to upset any holosexuals, but it's very fun. Definitely something I would like to wear, so I have my nails done right now, but I would definitely think this is a good color. So excited about that, and that is valued at $21. Holy crap, that's a lot for a nail polish. So okay, so I have 2 more things. The next one is a lipstick, liquid lipstick, long wear matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations. It looks just like this. It is gigantic. So the color, let's see if I can get a color in here. It's called Kiss Me. So it's just like a deep pink, very pretty. I like it a lot. I have colors similar to this, but definitely interested in wearing this. It is a lip gloss, it says. To me, it looks like a liquid lip, but it says lip gloss. So I'm going to see how this dries down, if it changes into matte or anything like that. It does say matte, so to me that's a liquid lip, not a lip gloss. Okay, and that is valued at $8. Okay, so I have one more thing, and this is from Crown Cosmetics. It is the 10 color OMG eyeshadow collection. I'm going to be honest, I don't really care for Crown eyeshadows. They are not my favorite. But maybe this one will be different enough where I want to try it out. Let's see. Okay, so I do like the colors in this. It's very fun and different. And it looks like they have, for every shimmer, there's like a corresponding matte. So you can create like sort of, well, maybe not for every shimmer, because those purples are both shimmer. But let's go ahead and swatch a couple of them just to see if maybe they can change my mind on these shadows. So there's just a couple of them, like that yellow color up top does not swatch well at all, but it is a matte, so I'm gonna take that into account. Come on, focus. Okay. The shimmer down there, that purple down there did pretty well. The green shimmer's okay too. It's just where I have bones in my hand that it didn't swatch that well. Some of the shimmers are good, some of them are great. Like this green, I'm sorry, is a matte. It looks fine. This matte looks like poop. This shimmer doesn't look great. This shimmer looks great. So to me, the consistency isn't really there. But I guess for $10, it might be worth it. I don't know. I'd have to play around with it on my eyes to get a real opinion of it. So that liquid lip did dry down matte, so that looks really pretty. I do like that a lot. Well, right here on the back, it's telling me the value of this box is $70. Not one of the best values I've seen from this box. I don't know. I mean, I pay almost the same amount for BoxyCharm, and the value is like double that usually. So to me, this isn't my favorite bag anymore. I don't know. Last month I wasn't really super excited about it. I think this month is better. But even still, I'm looking at the stuff here and I'm like, I don't know if any of these I would ever even go purchase on my own. Like this palette, never. The lip is okay. It's probably my favorite thing. It's $8 though. The nail polish is really cute. An orange highlighter, not into. And then loose pigment, not really into either. So, I don't know. Should I give it one more month? What do you guys think? I need some help here. Should I keep getting this bag? Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.